So on the top of this machine here, there's actually a rack. Well, not a rack, like, yeah, I guess it's kind of. It's 2 bars, and I'm gonna try and put some crossbar pieces. Kate bought a big set of roof rack pieces for her car this summer, and these are just some of the pieces that came with it. So I'm gonna try and make it fit. I'm hoping I have enough room to clamp it down here. I think I do. Yeah, this should be enough. So I can see if I can make them fit, and then put a ski box on here. I use these for the clamps, and I'm hoping they fit. Maybe they get tight enough. I think so. These are huge, but they're actually going to go the length of the thing, I think. Now, do I want this to have it tighten on the inside? This one's a bit more different. I'm going to take it right off anyways to be able to get the other one on. There's one. See if we can make it fit. Got some of this stuff so I don't scratch up the paint. Whew, it's cold there today. Come on. That's not going up there. Oh yeah, it should go up there. Okay, I can only do the second one. That's why. One piece for the bottom here. No way it's gonna fit. Oh yeah, those should fit too. Those are the other ones for the front. Nice. I found the piece I need. Just back out again. Nice. All right, the front ones are gonna be a bit harder. All right, got them on. They fit pretty well, actually. And I'm hoping that's enough space. I think it is how much room we had on the Civic. So I'm gonna go grab the ski box. All right. I think I'm just gonna get it on and slide it. How cool is that gonna look? Oh, that's sick. Bit of dirt on it. That's fine. How am I supposed to install it? I need a ladder. Managed to get one of them on. So I can get these ones through. At least the holes from the Civic we drilled line up perfectly. The back ones are gonna be pretty hard to get. I think I'll be able to get them. Maybe with a ladder. Got that one on. That one on. Yeah, I gotta get this one down over here. There's one left there. Pretty sure I'm supposed to do these the opposite way and have these nuts coming up, but that's okay. Yep, all lined up good. Oh. Come on. All right, I got it. All the 4 things on them down there. Front one's a little bit weird, but whatever, it's on it. Washer left there. That is so cool. It's so silly, but it's so cool. That stuff will all fall off, it's just frozen dirt. Let's take this ladder down and see how it looks. That's actually awesome. So I redid all the attachments. I wasn't happy with the twisting part here, the hand tightening part on the bottom. So it's all on the top now. Looks a bit cleaner from below. It does look cool. Let's pull this out of the way. That's pretty sweet. Kate's gonna think this is so silly. We could fit a massive ski box up there. It's awesome. Hopefully I get to use it soon, but it's, I don't know, first week of January and there's like still dirt there. It's no snow, everything melted. That is so cool.